All right, thank you for coming to our tutorial to the VelociCalc Plus. This right here is the model 8360, but other models that will work will be the 8382, 8383, and the 8388. So we're gonna go over a couple of some of the parts. We've got the on and off button right here. We've got the retractable wand with the probe tip. We've got the various buttons that will control the screen. And we've also got the inputs for using the pitot tube, which we'll use a little bit later. Okay, so we're going to first go over how to use the velocity. We're going to turn on our VelociCalc. It is already reading feet per minute, and so we're going to take our wand and we're going to retract it, and we've got a black button right here, and we want to make sure that this is the side of where the upstream of the flow is going to be. So we're going to take this, we're going to take it to the face of our duct over here, and we're going to measure the feet per minute. See that was about 200 feet per minute, or 2,000 feet per minute. We can use the same wand to be able to do the flow rate, and so the flow rate is going to be cubic feet per minute. We've got the option to use either a round duct or a rectangular duct, so we're going to hit shape for round, and then we can also put the diameter by clicking enter, the diameter of the duct. So this duct right here is a 6-inch. But if you were to have a larger one, you can go up in duct diameter or down in duct diameter. We're going to do 6 inches for our duct. And then we would do the same exact thing, have the button be facing towards the upstream and put it in front of our duct, and we'll be able to find cubic feet per minute. It will calculate the area that we've put in with the velocity, and that's how you get the cubic feet. So, all right, last thing we want to show you guys is how to use the pressure function. So we got pressure right here. It's going to read in inches in water gauge, and we're going to input it right here. So we've got a positive and a negative side, and so we're going to connect our pitot tube to these. So we're going to have our static pressure go to the negative, and our total pressure go to our positive. And so here we've got our pitot tube, we've got the total pressure and the static pressure. And so adding them together will cancel each other out and we'll get velocity pressure. And so when we put in our pitot tube inside of the duct, facing the opening facing towards the upstream, we're going to put it in, and we're going to be able to calculate the static pressure, or sorry, the velocity pressure. So that was about 0.25 for velocity pressure. If you also wanted to calculate static pressure, it would take off total pressure, and you could put it in and get static pressure, and then do vice versa for total pressure. We used, with the pitot tube, we used the centerline method. So we put it in the center of our ducting, and we multiply by 0.93 to get an average of our ducting. But you can also use the transverse method of averaging out your velocity pressure.